Hello, in today's video, we are going to figure out Qwen Code, the new release from Qwen AI tool. They just released it. It looks like Claude Code so far. Let's figure out how it works, how to install it, and even test it with each other. First thing, we will need to use this prompt from Windows installation. Go to CMD, but make sure that you have it as administration. Click paste, then wait to install it. I'll be back as soon as it's done. As you can see, it is now done and we have multiple options to use it. Qwen Code, which is free up to 1000 requests per day for free. It's very generous from them. Then we have cloud coding from Alibaba that we can use. It is paid up to 6000 requests every 5 hours, sorry. And you can use your own API key. Let's go to the Qwen Code at first to try it. As you can see, it just asks you to log into Qwen. I just confirmed my email. By the way, I found the email in the spam folder, so check it if it is not working for you or if you didn't find the email. Then as you can see, we have it right here. Let's say log on and just test it for its speed and so on. Okay, how can I help you? Okay, after trying hello command, we will need to check it on VS Code, how it works. Let's jump into VS Code. After jumping to your project, just try Qwen and it will run like this directly. Let's ask here or test Qwen to create our next JS app for us. And let's wait for it to see how long it will take and if it is working. Same idea like Claude Code. So far as I can see, it is taking some tokens. By the way, this is not working locally, this is on the cloud. So your device, a graphic card, is resting in peace right now until we blow it later using Claude Code locally. In another video, by the way, I will make it. Okay, now it asks me like the normal comments for MPX. I will just write yes allow once. I know this is a basic task, but I'm just testing it out. Later I will do a video while testing it in something deep and check its debugging skills. It looks promising for me, by the way. And I think even if it is giving 1000 requests for free, it's just a good opportunity to use even if you're not depending on Qwen usually. Now it works fine. Let's see how it will look like. I can see it just created a folder and I think it will create components because at top I checked out the to-do-right list is create portfolio page, structure, homepage, about, and so on. Also making responsive navigation and styling it with a clean design, verify build passes. According to the prompt I wrote, just create me a basic Next.js portfolio. It's good, just like it is improvising even the steps before writing it. But it takes a while, as I told you, due to my internet connection. But yeah, it looks promising so far. If you liked the video, don't forget to follow me for more. And thanks for your time.